Okay, so example, solve log 64 base 2, B log 100 base 10. So to solve this, we are now going to take solution. So we now have log 64 base 2. So to solve for this, we are now going to break down this 64. And how are we going to break it? We are now going to think of a number that when we raise power it, when we take to and power it by that number will give us 64. So when we now take 2 raised to the power of 6, it's now going to give us 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 2 8, 2 times 8 times 2 16, 16 times 2 32, 32 times 2 is going to give us 64. So therefore, we are now going to substitute 64 with 2 raised to the power of 6. So therefore, we now have log 2 raised to the power of 6 base 2. And according to the law of indices, when we have something like this, let's say log a raised to the power of p. So according to the law of indices, this is the same thing as p log a. So therefore, this p will now multiply the log. So therefore, now this one is something as 6 times log 2 base 2. And according to the other law of indices, any log equals to its base is 1. Like for example, when we have log k base k is the same thing as 1. When we have log 1000 times log 1000 base 1000, log 1000 base 1000 is the same thing as 1. So any log equals to its base is 1. So therefore, this is something as 6 times log 2 base 2 is 1. So therefore, we have 6 times 1 is 6. So the answer to this is 6. And then for the v, of course, for the v, as we can see, this is log 100 base 10. So of course, 10 raised to the power of 2 is something as 100. So we are now going to substitute this 100 with 10 power 2. So therefore, now we have log 10 power 2 base 2. So this, base 10, base 10. So these two will now multiply the log. We now have 2 times log 10 base 10. And any log equals to its base is going to be 1. So we have 2 times 1 is 2. So the answer to this is 2. Follow and subscribe for more videos.